Oh, here it is. Finally got around to buying this. I did buy the old Hornby one first, but then I saw that the new one's got lights that work on DC or DCC, but you can also put a 21 pin decoder in it, so that's what I'm going to do. Removing the body can be simpler. Screw there, one on that side, two at the back, and it just pulls off. Well, there it is with the 21 pin sound decoder, and you'll see here at the back I've ordered the biggest, I've put in place the biggest enclosure that the speaker comes with for Hornby. As you can see, there's stacks of room in the bottom of here, and that just drops back on. You screw it in. Easy. There's actually room as well for the Hornby battery stay alive, which will probably fit in there as well, except they're swapping to a new model, so you can't get them at the moment, but I'll probably put one in at some point. And I can control the lights. And I've got a Class 90 bullet and a 1991 for the Fallen. Various usual sounds you can put in to do with it. Yeah, I'll show you the lights. There it is. They're pretty bright. They look really quite nice. And I can switch direction on my controller, and then yeah, could be pulled behind another loco. Sweet.